Hello, little friends. Welcome to our amazing water adventure. Today, we're going to discover all the wonderful things water can do. Water is everywhere around us. We drink it, play in it, and it helps everything grow. Are you ready to explore water wonders with me? Let's dive in. Look at this girl drinking water from her glass. Water is so important to our bodies. When we drink water, it travels down to our tummy, and it helps the whole body stay healthy. Crystal clear in my small cup. Water helps me fresh right up. Down my throat so cool and sweet, giving strength from head to feet. Water keeps us hydrated and gives us energy to play, learn, and grow. Here's a boy having so much fun swimming and playing in the water. We can swim, splash, and cool off in water on hot summer days. Splash and play in water cool, jumping in the sparkling pool. Kick your legs and wave your arms. Swimming brings such joyful charms. Swimming is such wonderful exercise. The water supports our body when we move and play. Look at these different containers with water in them. Water is like a magical shapeshifter. In the round cup, it becomes round. In the tall glass, it becomes tall. Water always fits perfectly into whatever container we put it in. Pour the water, watch it flow, changing shape where it'll go. Fill the bottle, fill the bowl. Water takes the shape it holds. Water doesn't have its own shape. It borrows the shape of whatever holds it. Look at this boy brushing his teeth. He's using water to keep his teeth clean and sparkly. Water and his toothbrush work together like best friends. They wash away tiny bits of food and keep his mouth healthy. Brush goes up and brush goes down. Water helps to clean your crown. Sparkling teeth, so bright and strong. Smile and show them all day long. Remember to brush your teeth every morning and every night. Water helps rinse away all the toothpaste bubbles and keeps your smile beautiful. Look at this boy cleaning the window with a wet cloth. Water helps us stay clean everywhere. We use water to wash our hands, clothes, and dishes, and to keep our living spaces sparkling clean. Bubbles foam and water flows, making things shine as it goes. Washing clothes and mopping floors. Water cleans from roof to doors. Water and soap work together like the best cleaning team. They wash away dirt and germs to keep everything fresh and tidy. Look at these ice cubes in the bowl. What happens when water gets very, very cold? It turns into ice. These hard, cold ice cubes used to be liquid water, but the cold transformed them. Cold and hard like little rocks. In my cup, they gently knock. Warmth makes them change and drip, turning into drops that slip. See these ice cubes on the table? As they get warmer, they are melting back into water drops. Look at this pot on the stove. See that misty steam floating up? This steam is water too. When water gets hot enough, it becomes invisible vapor that dances up into the air. This is exactly how clouds are made high up in the sky. Watch the pot on stove so hot. Misty steams begin to float. Up they dance above my head, like a cloud of cotton spread. The steam looks like tiny white clouds floating up, up, up into the air. Look at this little girl having fun in the rain. She's wearing her raincoat and boots to stay dry. Water vapor goes up and forms clouds. When the clouds get heavy, it rains. Rain makes that wonderful pitter-patter sound and creates fun puddles for splashing. Pitter-patter, tap, tap, tap. Raindrops dancing as they clap. From the clouds they tumble down, making puddles all around. Rain is nature's way of giving the earth a nice, refreshing drink. Here's a boy having fun in the snow. He's bundled up warm in his coat, mittens, and boots. When it's very cold outside, rain becomes something fluffy and white. It's snow. Tiny stars of icy white, floating down from cloudy height. Catch a snowflake in your palm. Watch it melt and softly come. Every single snowflake is different and unique, just like how every child is special in their own way. Look at this beautiful cruise ship sailing on the ocean. Ships and boats float on water and carry people and cargo from place to place. Water is like a highway for boats. Sailing vessels, big and small, gliding where the waves call. People, toys, and food they bring. Water helps move everything. Isn't it amazing how water can hold up such big ships? Water is strong enough to carry heavy things from far, far away. Look at this boy carefully watering the beautiful flowers. Plants get thirsty too. They need water to drink, grow, and stay healthy, just like we do. Flowers are thirsty in the sun. For the water, let it run. Splish and splash on leaves so green. Watch them grow and bloom so clean. So how do flowers look so bright and colorful? That's because they are getting plenty of fresh water to help them bloom. Look at this amazing underwater world. The ocean is like a giant water home for wonderful creatures. Here we can see plants like algae and kelp, and animals like whales and colorful fish. All these ocean friends need water for their home. Ocean homes both small and vast, where plants and animals thrive and last. Any algae, mighty whale, all need water to prevail. The ocean water gives all these living creatures everything they need to grow and thrive. What an amazing water adventure we've had today! We've discovered so many water wonders. Water can be liquid that we drink and swim in, solid ice that we can touch, or steam that floats up to the sky. It falls as gentle rain and beautiful snow, helps us stay clean and healthy, makes plants grow strong and tall, and provides a wonderful home for ocean creatures. Water flows and water plays, changing shape in many ways. Helping plants and creatures grow, water makes our planet glow. Water truly is one of nature's most wonderful gifts. Next time you see water in your drinking cup, on a rain-splashed window, or in a sparkling swimming pool, remember all the amazing things it can do. Thank you for joining our water adventure today. Keep exploring and stay curious about the wonderful world. Bye-bye, friends. See you next time.